lovelies, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, let me just explain some things real quick. So if you're new here, or if you just haven't seen the previous video, you'll want to check out this video on my channel, because the reason we're doing this today is when I did that video, a lot of you guys asked if I would go out into the forest and try listening to trees. So that's exactly what we're going to do today, with a tiny twist. In this video, we actually go out and find the oldest, what is believed to be the oldest oak tree in Ireland. For the sake of me being more transparent with you guys than the articles that I read to find this were with me, you hear me throughout this video saying the oldest tree in Ireland because at the time that's what I thought it was. All of the articles made me think it was. And it was only actually last night, whenever I was editing the rest of this video, that I decided to fact check one more time with a couple of different search terms, and then I started getting results for something else that is supposedly the oldest tree in Ireland. So I went back to all the articles that I'd originally read that were my, source for this, and it seems like basically they've worded things in a really misleading way, for the sake of sensationalism. So this isn't the oldest tree in Ireland, it is what's believed to be the oldest oak tree, specifically in Ireland. So yeah, I don't want to trick you guys the way I was tricked. So when you hear me say oldest tree, just put the word oak in. But what's also really cool is this specific oak tree grows an extremely rare kind of fungus. It's called an oak polypore, and they are very, very hard to find. They're actually a protected species, and we also find that in the video, so I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, that's enough of me talking. I just wanted to let you guys know, and now let's get on with the rest of the video. Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So you guys wanted more videos using my plant music maker. And I have a whole bunch of ideas for videos like that I want to do, and then one that I thought of was like, hey, I wonder where the oldest tree in Belfast is. So I popped on Google, and it turns out that the oldest tree in Belfast is in fact quite possibly the oldest tree in all of Ireland. So that's very lucky for me. So today we are in Beaver Forest. It's spelled Belvoir. They pronounce it beaver here, it annoys me. We're in that forest to try to find the oldest tree in Ireland and see if we can listen to it. Haven't a clue where it is in this giant forest though, so that is going to be the tricky part. But hopefully we can find it and see what kind of music it makes. Okay, so we found this big old tree stump here, and although the tree has been cut down, I imagine it is probably still alive, so let's just hook these up. This is actually my first time trying it on any sort of tree trunk, so that's exciting. Having trouble picking it up. Oh, there we go.
I mean, that's not the tree.
Oh, why?
Could you imagine?
That scared the shit out of me. I was like, whoa, okay. For some reason my phone decided it wanted to play music. No, stop.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. Oh, maybe I'm touching. Yeah, I see. I think I must have been touching something on top of the speaker that was making it play. That really scared me. I was like, okay, this tree has some things to say. Okay, so we have been wandering about the forest for, I'd say, a little over 2 hours now. Definitely had some fun adventures so far. We have not yet been able to find the big old tree, but we're going to keep looking, and while we're here we will listen to some other smaller trees, I think, and we'll see how it goes. But either way, in this video, we are going to find the oldest tree in Ireland. That is my promise to you. Give me a heart attack. Hello. Here's where I'm cackling to myself and fall in the river. Yeah, it kind of wins. Found tube.
Le pipe.
It's one of those fish pipes.
If you listen closely, you can hear screaming.
question. Has anyone else seen Doomsday? And if so, does it remind you? Does this remind you of the little place they go? What's this? Oh, this is a thing that people do. Let me see. Yeah, NI rocks. So we have found this. And it is just straight up. Try shine like right in there. This is like some horror movie nonsense down there. Fun fact actually, my earliest memory of like knowing about this park, I can't remember if my cousins talked about it or something, but I remember talking to my mum about it and I was really young. And I just have this vague memory of her like not wanting me to come here because like something bad had happened or something, but I was so young. And recently we were out for a walk and I asked her if she remembered that. And at first she was like no, and then she was like, wait. And now we both have this weird feeling that something terrible happened here, but
something buzzing around my head.
What?
Something big buzzing around my head.
Yes, so we both have this like weird, very vague, like ominous memory that like something awful happened here at some point, but neither of us knows what it is, so we're just left with this like strange feeling of dread. Not so much today, it's a lovely sunny day, but you know, there is still that like, why wasn't I supposed to come here as a child? Okay, so it's not the oldest tree in Ireland, but this is a hefty tree, so let's listen to it.
You know what I've noticed?
What?
Every time the wind blows the leaves, it picks up.
Yeah. That's really cool. Outfit change because we could not find the tree the other day, which makes sense because now I have a vague idea of where to go. Yeah. Woohoo. Yes, makes sense that we couldn't find it the other day when we came here because, as it turns out, we went in the opposite direction of where the tree was, but before I had no reference, so we were just wandering through the forest hoping to see it. This time I have a crudely drawn map, but it is a map nonetheless. Because like obviously you can't draw a proper map, so my friend just kind of roughly circled for me where this tree lives. So now we're trying to find that, so hopefully today we will have more luck finding this old ass tree, but I'll keep you updated. Hoping this path might lead up to it. Ooh, it's very muddy. This is a very sheer... God, I don't know if we'll be able to get up that actually. Okay, we have we have had quite the ordeal. I didn't have my camera out, it was in my backpack because it was quite the ordeal. Oh, so yeah, that was all. I have like the post-adrenaline rush jitters now, but we did find a tiny frog, so I'm very happy. Like Jake brought him down to me after scouting out. So I think if we keep going along this path, we might come to it. We've taken a bunch of wrong paths, but I just messaged my friend who knows where it is. So hopefully we can find it. We're almost there. It's definitely in this area. God, I sounded like that goat. Yeah, the goat. I'm glad you got that too. Where? Yay! Okay, hold on. It's in there. So they had to cut some of the trees in this area down, but obviously that's a special tree, so they couldn't cut that down. Remember, I think I maybe saw a path going the other side. Let's see if I can get a good shot of it. Wow! Whoa! Okay, this was worth it.
Oldest tree in Ireland or Northern Ireland?
Ireland. This is an old man tree. We're gonna plug on the device and you just go here. Oh! Right, God, I don't even know. I think the leaves will be my best bet because the trunk is a bit gnarly. Wow. I don't know if that's the type that my friend told me about, but apparently this oak tree grows like a very specific mushroom that basically can't be found anywhere else, or at least they haven't found it anywhere else, something along those lines, so that's cool, but I don't know if it's that one. Here. This one. And this one. And yep, that is coming off of this tree. We are now listening to the oldest tree in all of Ireland. Okay, we only have 4% battery. I don't know if we're going to get to do this, but I want to see if I can attach it to that mushroom up there and see if we can hear anything. I mean, let's see if my battery holds out. 1. Oh, I don't want to stick it on too much. And 2. Damn it. Ah!
Too sticky? Too slimy?
Yeah. There is something though.
Yeah.
It's very, very different reading from the tree itself. Me holding this side of them won't have any effect on it. It's only the sticky side that reads anything. That is it. That is the music that the oldest tree in Ireland produces. It took us 2 days and a lot of disasters to find it, but we found it and I am so happy. So yeah, this guy's over 400 years old. You can find more information about it on the internet, but I'm just really happy that we could find it for this video and see what it sounds like. So I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what other types of videos like this you would like to see, and I will see you in the next video. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought, give the video a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and if you wouldn't mind, check out my Patreon before you go, because that is a great way to support this channel and keep these videos coming. That is everything, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!